Unveiling nature's allergy shields, Butterbur and Quercetin unmasked. Seasonal allergies can significantly disrupt daily life, turning beautiful days into periods of discomfort. The constant battle against sneezing, itching, and congestion can overshadow the joy of witnessing nature's renewal during spring and fall. Common remedies like antihistamines and nasal sprays offer temporary relief but come with limitations. They often bring side effects such as drowsiness and dependency, making it challenging to find a long-term, sustainable solution to manage allergy symptoms effectively. Enter Butterbur and Quercetin, two natural alternatives that have shown promise in the fight against seasonal allergies. These substances offer a breath of fresh air to those seeking relief without the common drawbacks associated with traditional medications. Butterbur has a rich history of being used to treat ailments, including allergies. Long before it was recognized by modern science, traditional healers turned to this plant for its medicinal properties, leveraging its benefits to combat allergic reactions. It contains healing anti-inflammatory compounds, pitocin and isopetocin, which are derived from the plant's roots. Scientific research has begun to uncover the effectiveness of Butterbur in allergy treatment. Studies indicate that Butterbur can significantly reduce symptoms, offering hope to those looking for alternatives to conventional allergy medications. Butterbur, a natural remedy used for over 2,000 years and long revered for its healing properties, contains magnesium and calcium, which prevent muscle spasms. It targets the root cause by inhibiting leukotriene synthesis, substances in the body that trigger allergic responses, thus providing relief from symptoms like sneezing and itching. Scientific exploration into Butterbur's efficacy illuminates its potential as a formidable ally in allergy management. Studies showcase its ability to significantly reduce nasal discomfort, positioning it as a viable alternative to traditional antihistamines, minus the drowsiness often associated with such medications. Transitioning to quercetin, this powerful flavonoid amplifies the fight against allergies through its stabilization of mast cells. These cells, when stable, are less likely to release histamine, the chemical culprit behind the irritating and often debilitating symptoms of allergic reactions. Research underscores quercetin's pivotal role in allergy relief, with numerous studies affirming its capacity to mitigate symptoms and improve quality of life for sufferers. Quercetin inhibits immune cells from releasing histamines, which are chemicals that cause allergic reactions. Its broad anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects further contribute to its standing as a potent natural remedy. When comparing Butterbur and Quercetin, each presents unique benefits in the treatment of allergies. Butterbur offers direct action against leukotrienes, while Quercetin focuses on preventing histamine release, suggesting that their combined use could provide comprehensive relief for allergy sufferers. Butterbur and Quercetin represent two powerful, natural allies in the battle against seasonal allergies. Butterbur, with its proven track record, stands out for its ability to ease symptoms without the drowsiness associated with many antihistamines. Its effectiveness is rooted in its anti-inflammatory properties, offering relief to sufferers seeking a more natural approach. Quercetin, on the other hand, takes a different tack. This potent flavonoid stabilizes mast cells, preventing the release of histamine, the main culprit behind itching, swelling, and other allergic reactions. Its broad-spectrum action makes it a versatile tool in managing not just allergies, but also supporting overall immune health. When comparing the two, it's clear that both Butterbur and Quercetin have their unique strengths. Butterbur is particularly effective in reducing nasal symptoms, a common complaint among allergy sufferers. Quercetin, with its antioxidant properties, goes beyond allergy relief to offer broader health benefits, including cardiovascular support. The synergy between Butterbur and Quercetin is where their true potential lies. By combining their distinct mechanisms of action, users can achieve more comprehensive relief from allergies. This combination enhances the body's natural defense against allergens and can mitigate the severity of allergic responses. Regarding dosages, it's crucial to adhere to recommended guidelines to ensure safety and efficacy. Butterbur should be taken with care, considering its potential side effects and ensuring it's free from PAs, pyrrolizidine alkaloids. PAs can damage the liver, lungs, and blood circulation, and possibly cause cancer. Quercetin dosages vary, but incorporating it through diet or supplements can optimize its anti-allergic benefits. While exploring natural remedies like butterbur and quercetin for allergies, it's crucial to recognize their contraindications. Individuals with liver disease, pregnant women, and those allergic to ragweed should steer clear of butterbur to avoid adverse effects. Quercetin, although widely regarded as safe, may interact with certain medications, including blood thinners and chemotherapy drugs. Consulting a healthcare provider before adding quercetin to your regimen ensures you avoid potentially harmful interactions and side effects. Incorporating lifestyle and dietary adjustments can significantly bolster the fight against seasonal allergies. Staying hydrated, maintaining a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, and minimizing exposure to allergens complement the benefits of natural supplements like butterbur and quercetin. Adapting butterbur and quercetin into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. Starting with recommended dosages in supplement form, you can gradually integrate these natural remedies, observing how your body responds and adjusting accordingly. Despite the allure of natural remedies for allergies, it's vital to approach them with a critical eye. Myths abound, but scientific evidence should guide your choices. Butterbur and quercetin have research backing their efficacy, setting them apart from unproven alternatives. Testimonials and user experiences with butterbur and quercetin paint a vivid picture of their potential benefits. Many individuals report significant reductions in allergy symptoms, crediting these natural remedies for their newfound ability to enjoy the changing seasons without dread. Navigating the legal and regulatory landscape of butterbur and quercetin supplements can be complex. However, understanding these aspects is crucial to ensure you're accessing safe and compliant products. It's essential to look for supplements that meet current standards and regulations. The realm of allergy treatment stands on the cusp of transformation, with ongoing research into butterbur and quercetin offering promising avenues for future therapies. Scientists are delving deeper into their mechanisms and potential to provide even more effective relief. Consulting with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, including butterbur and quercetin, is imperative. A healthcare provider can offer personalized advice, ensuring these supplements are appropriate for your specific health profile and allergy management plan. Recapping the effectiveness of butterbur and quercetin highlights their role as valuable tools in the arsenal against seasonal allergies. Their natural origins, backed by historical use and modern science, offer a compelling alternative for those seeking relief. Embracing a holistic approach to managing seasonal allergies can transform your quality of life. Beyond conventional treatments, incorporating natural remedies like butterbur and quercetin into your routine offers a comprehensive strategy for relief. Don't miss out on more health tips and updates. By liking, sharing, and subscribing to Remedy Seeker, you'll stay informed on the latest in natural remedies and wellness strategies. We'll see you in the next video.